What was that? People are gonna be like, what is wrong with her? I'm out of breath. Oh, what was I gonna say first? Let's go! Does it sound too close to let's go? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make homemade mayo in 2 minutes. Let's go! We're making a super simple basic mayo today, but you could use this recipe to jazz it up in loads of ways. I will leave you some ideas in the description box below. And the key to making easy mayo by hand is having a good heavy duty whisk. So I bought this for $1 from a charity shop and it's got a really nice heavy handle, which is super handy. And then I've just got a small to medium bowl here that I've put on a little grippy to stop it from sliding around, or you could chuck a tea towel underneath. Then I'm going to start with 2 egg yolks, so they're going to go straight in my bowl. Then for every egg yolk, you need 100 ml of neutral or plain oil. So I've just got a vegetable oil here. Then we're going to whisk our egg yolks to loosen them and make them a bit paler in colour. Right, I've loosened my egg yolks a bit. They're a lot lighter in colour. Now it's the tricky part, getting the oil in. So I've popped my oil in a little jug and that just makes it really easy to pour in super slowly. So I'm gonna whisk as hard as I can with one hand and really, really gently pour a gentle stream of oil down the side of my bowl while I'm whisking. And I'm gonna go really gently until I've got half of my oil in. And it should almost thicken immediately and get that nice mayo texture. Oh, it hurts so much. If you need to take a break every now and then, just you can have a stop, have a whisk on the other side and then get back to pouring. Okay, I've whisked in half my oil. The first half is the hardest because you have to go really hard and fast to get it to catch. But now I've got a lovely, thick, shiny mayo, and I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of salt in here as well. Now the vinegar just helps loosen it a little bit and the salt helps bring out the lovely flavour. Then you're going to do the same thing with the rest of your oil, gently pouring down the side while you whisk as hard as you can. My last little bit of oil. My arm is sore, but it looks beautiful. So love making mayo. Perfect. There you have it. Homemade mayo. Give it a little taste. Check it's salty enough. Perfect. Yum. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time. Peace.